Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change to light theme on Feedly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to have a theme that looks like this, where it's brighter and not darker. How do you actually go ahead and get a theme that looks like this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so make sure to stick around all the way until the end. Now in order to get a light theme that looks like this, you want to go ahead and log onto your Feedly account. Then in the upper left hand corner, you want to click on your profile name and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you want to click on appearance. So here you can see the different themes. So you can see that there's a tooltip prompt here that says, which theme would you like to use for the Feedly website? You can set it to system preference, where it's going to basically adjust to the system preference theme. You could set it to light theme, which is what I already have here. And then you could also set it to a dark theme. So let's say that's at night and you don't want things to be as bright. You could also set it to this dark theme. But go ahead and set it to the light theme, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set your Feedly account to a light theme. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.